Feeling Good by David Burns was written in 1980. Feelings are not facts. You can change your feeling by changing your thinking. If you are willing to invest a little time in yourself, you can learn to master your moods more effectively. Just as an athlete who participate in a daily conditioning program can develop greater endurance and strength. What is the key to realizing yourself from your emotional prison? Simply this: your thoughts create your emotions. Therefore, your emotions cannot prove that your thoughts are accurate. Unpleasant feelings merely indicate that you are thinking something negative and believing it. Your emotions follow your thoughts just as surely as baby ducks follow their mother. The author, who believed that most depression or anxiety was simply a result of illogical and negative thinking. The majority of negative thoughts that cause us emotional turmoil are plain wrong, or at least distortions of the truth, but we accept them without question. By understanding these distortions, we are led to the awareness that feelings are not facts, they are only mirrors of our thoughts. The author notes, unpleasant feelings merely indicate that you are thinking something negative and believing it. This is why the author suggests depression is such a powerful form of black magic. When we experience real sadness or joy, for instance, these are the healthy and normal reaction. Genuine sadness, say at the loss of a relative, is of the soul, whereas depression is always of the mind. Burns point out that the basic idea of cognitive therapy, that our thoughts affects our emotions and moods, not the other way around, goes back a long way. The ancient philosopher Epictetus rested his career on the idea that it is not the events that determine your state of mind, but how you decide to feel about the events. This secret is shared by all happy people, yet it is a skill that can be learned by anyone.